I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make money public speaking updated. Start by defining your niche clearly and set income targets you can track. Build a signature talk that solves a real problem and refine it with feedback. Package related services like coaching, workshops, and online courses to diversify revenue. Price offerings based on value, not time, and use testimonials to justify fees while continuously improving delivery and marketing. Create an offer stack that fits multiple buyer types and budgets. Start with a clear keynote, add hands-on workshops, and offer optional coaching or consulting for higher tiers. Complement live services with digital products like templates, courses, or guides to earn passive income. Price each tier to reflect outcomes and include clear deliverables. Always test offers with small groups and iterate based on feedback to maximize conversions and client satisfaction. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support more tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car, so grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your ride smelling great between gigs. I find a fresh-smelling car helps reset after long travel and puts me in a performance mindset. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Focus your marketing on outcomes and evidence of impact rather than ego. Create a tight one-sheet and 60 to 90-second highlight videos that show your strongest moments. Reach out to event planners with personalized pitches that explain the audience benefit. Leverage LinkedIn and email sequences to build relationships and follow up consistently. Always ask for referrals and case studies after events to build social proof and open more doors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.